x divided by 2 is equal 9. X is the part of the fraction. In order to find value of x, I have to eliminate fraction. Fraction represents division. In order to eliminate division, we have to use multiplication. Okay? Remember, anytime you will try to eliminate the fraction, you have to multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator. Remember, always by the denominator. No matter for what you are going to look for, you have to multiply always by the denominator. So I am going to multiply left side by 2 and right side multiply by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out because 2 divided by 2 is equal 1. And I have x equals 9 times 2 equals 18. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's verify this answer. The original problem said x divided by 2 has to be equal 9. I'm going to replace this x by this 18. I have 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 is equal to 9. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have fraction. We said anytime we want to eliminate fraction, we have to multiply always both sides of the equation by the denominator. That's why I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. And I have a equals 6 times 7 is equal 42. This is the answer to my problem. Let's check if this is correct answer. Original problem says a divided by 7 is equal to 6. Instead of a, I have to write 42. So I'm going to have 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 6 equals 6. Left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. That's why this is correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at the third example. This time I have to find c. In order to find c, I have to eliminate the fraction. Remember, anytime we want to eliminate fraction, we're supposed to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. That's why I'm going to multiply both sides equation by 9. 9 and 9 will cancel out. And I have c equals 3 times 9 is 27. This is the solution to my problem. Let's check if this is correct answer. The original problem was c divided by 9 is equal to 3. So let's check if this is correct. I'm going to have 27 over 9 is equal to 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 is equal to 3. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer to my problem.